come out here for LS Fest 23 this year. Hoping to put on a good show for the crowd. That's always our main goal. Brought my rock bouncer / U4 buggy. It's kind of a hybrid of the both. Built it to go fast. Also tried to build it to take a thrashing. Got an LSX 416, 2.9 liter Whipple supercharger on it. Behind that's ATI Turbo 400, Behemoth underdrive 205 transfer case, 14 bolt steerable front end, Dana 80 in the rear, 46-inch USD stickies on it, KMC bead locks. The whole rig's kind of home built. My father was pretty big into four-wheeling when we were younger. He grew up through the years with an old square body Chevy pickup. As I was growing up, he kept us out in that truck for quite a few years. I ended up getting a 1990 Wrangler for my first vehicle. I was 15. My parents pulled it out of the bushes basically and handed me a key to it. Said, if you want something to drive when you turn 16, you better start working on this now. So I had no choice but to start going, and had a little job after school that we went to and made a couple bucks, put that Jeep together over the years, and made for an addiction, I guess you could say. After that though, kind of morphed the Jeep into this, piece by piece, if you will, between rolling the Jeep and crashing it into stuff and just being stupid. A front half, or actually a rear half, tube chassis off of a Wrangler. That's kind of the portion you see back here. It was all built off of an old Wrangler front clip that was originally my vehicle when I was 15 years old. And then I think it was another just year after that at a Trucks Gone Wild event. Ended up barrel rolling it pretty hard and destroying the front half of the Jeep. So right where the seam was, I cut it again and tubed the front half and made a two-piece tube chassis basically. This at that point was then born. I think I was about 19, maybe 20 at that point. So that'd have been 12 years ago. Someday we'll build another one to kind of freshen up the idea, but all in all, the thing usually gets the job done for us now.